Hi, my name's Abigail Weisenbach, and I'm going to be presenting on my experiences volunteering for CampFire Alabama Links Up mentoring program. So this semester looked a little different as it was virtual. My role was to create an event calendar for 2021, and I had 2 months that I was responsible for, April and May, and so I had to come up with an activity for kids to do for every single day of the month. And that was actually more tedious than it sounds, but it was also fun. And I got to be really creative coming up with different activities and things for them to do each day. And then my other role was to create these videos. I think I made 7 to 8 videos total. And each video was on a different topic. And so one of them was bullying, one of them was friendship, there was self-esteem, teamwork, respect. There were a lot of serious topics for kids and just anyone. And so just the goal of the videos was to expand what they knew about those topics, give some examples, share some of my experiences, and do a fun activity with them. So that's kind of what each video looked like. And it helped them hopefully it helped them feel supported and cared about and improve their understanding in a way that they could also have fun. And so what was challenging was getting all of the phones off of my all of the videos off of my phone onto the computer, uploaded in a way that I could share them all with Miss Gina so that she could share them with the kids. And what I ended up doing was just uploading them onto YouTube, and that was just the easiest way to get all those videos in one place and in a way that they can be viewed. The most rewarding part was just being able to serve the youth and connect with them during a time where we're all so disconnected and there's social distancing and everything's just so chaotic and crazy. And so it was really nice to be able to create these videos and communicate and connect virtually. And so I'm very thankful because it definitely improved and expanded my skill sets with technology, with making videos, with my communication and how I word things. And so that was all very rewarding. I definitely learned how to be flexible, go with the flow, more comfortable. Got more comfortable with ambiguity because, you have these basic guidelines like the bones of the video and you have to put all of the flesh on there. Kind of a weird analogy. But just, I definitely learned to just take those few guidelines and turn it into something and expand on it on my own, using my own unique skill set and creativity. And then the learning which occurred most prominently for me was just like lessons in flexibility and being persistent, not giving up, being a problem solver, having patience and going with the flow, knowing that it's all going to work out if I just keep problem solving and doing my part and keeping a positive attitude and mindset. CampFire also taught me the importance and application of have really good time management skills because there's so much going on this semester, just between like life and working and school and other classes and with everything being online. I know that other students can relate to. You're checking your modules, your discussions, your assignments, like for all these different classes. And if you don't have those time management skills, you're just constantly all over the place, always feeling like you're behind. Even if you do have those time management skills, you might still feel that way, because I definitely have. But overall, it's definitely been to my benefit. I'm learning and growing. And then the community impact, I don't necessarily get to see the impact, but I told them stories and I did activities and I did these projects for them. And so I know that even though I'm not seeing the direct impact, that I was able to play a role in their learning and their growth. And so that's really special and impactful. So special thanks to Miss Gina Weaver. She is amazing. She was always very supportive of me and helpful and encouraging. And so great semester volunteering. I can't wait to hear about everyone else's.